Today we'll be making your very own DIY scented candles, which are perfect for those of you who have a nose. Here's what you'll need. Some wire cutters, a cotton wick, mason jars, which of course were invented by Jackie Mason, olive oil, but not the extra virgin kind because that's perverse, a number of supposedly relaxing items, and things I've been told make fire. This craft will be so good you won't be able to hold a candle to it. Let's get started. First, take your wire. Has anybody seen The Wire? Is there anyone here who has seen The Wire? I saw The Wire, and I want to know why none of you have seen The Wire. Oh, take the wire and spiral the end of it to fit your wick. Oh, look, I think it's a swan. Put this around the thing here. Personally, I just like bending things. Just like this. Take your mason jar, place the wick inside, and fill the jar with olive oil. Olive oil has so many versatile uses, like oiling olives. And now you can fill your jar with scented items that will relax and calm you. Or we can fill the candle with items that give you anxiety, because there's nothing that cures anxiety like more anxiety. How about some coffee, huh? Dark, bold. Some sugar, googly eyes, kidney stones, cell phone bill, insects. I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. They're not real, they're not real. And of course, a reminder of my mother. And a little more olive oil. Ooh, I can smell the anxiety already. And now, all you have to do is light it. And there you have it, your very own DIY scented candle, perfect to smell for all eternity. So this is it? This is heaven? He just looks a lot similar to the last place.